Craigie.
He nailed that. This is a good one.
Yes.
I can even say.
Holy.
This is a good one.
This is a good one, Craig?
This is a good one. Audrey?
Craig, is it a good one?
This is a good one. This is a wiper. Jesus. Look at this shit.
Holy. What the hell's up there?
This is a big wiper.
That's a cool
These are the ones that'll
fish.
fin the living shit out of you.
Craig,
These are?
Yeah.
hold it up to me.
That's what you've been wanting to catch all night?
Yeah.
Those are fighters, man.
These are fighting fools.
Look at that thing.
Hold it to me.
Let me throw again. They're still there. Here, put your finger in his mouth. Throw them in the bucket.
Audrey,
What?
open the case.